Mount Monadnock, isn't it?
Yeah, there's Mount Monadnock. We're going to hit that in the fall. Oh, man. I tell you, folks, get outside. I'm telling you. I keep telling you over and over. You got to do it. Got to do it. I'm looking on the other side. Nothing like being out in the woods, huh? Ah.
Nice and cool. You live close to this,
Yeah.
you don't have a mountain bike?
Oh, no. It's the way to go.
Beautiful.
I think in this, though. I don't find a lot of mountain biking trails in our area. Hiking trails, yeah.
Yeah. There's some real trails. Me and George are doing the,
Not much in between.
what was the trail?
Ooh, what a great day. Let me see what the sign says. I think it's the sign will say maintained by a snowmobile club, because that's usually what maintains these trails, different snowmobile clubs in the region. Okay, this is just telling us, okay, yeah, see, it is trail maintained by snowmobiles.org. Man. Ah, it's so nice out, man. Ah, it's so much fun riding with them. Woo. Let's go. We're almost 2.5 more miles to our turnaround point in Troy, New Hampshire. Woo!